Students, in this module, you will study about panchayats. Panchayats have been the backbone of the Indian villages since the beginning of recorded history. The term Panchayati Raj is relatively new, having originated during the British administration. Raj literally means governance or government. Panchayat system are referred to as the grassroots levels of democracy. It is an institution of local self-government at the village level. Since ancient times in India, a village council often consisted of village elders and performed administrative and judicial functions. The villages were governed by their elected panchayats. Every year, the panchayats were elected. In addition to that, during the Buddhist period, there were regional councils or janpadas and village assemblies or gram sabhas. With the advent of British rule, the panchayat system in India advanced with a new meaning. The term Panchayati Raj originated during the British administration. It was a decentralized form of government where each village was responsible for its own affairs. The Amendment Act of 1992 provides provision for delegation of powers and responsibilities to the panchayats. The panchayats are important to the Indian society for preparation of plans for economic development and social justice, and also for implementation in the relation to 29 subjects listed in the 11th schedule of the Constitution. At present, the panchayat system in India consists of districts which are the principal subdivision within the state. These districts are further subdivided into tehsils that contain about 200 to 600 villages. The Tehsildar is the chief member of the Tehsil Revenue Department. The Gram Panchayat is the basic unit. The members of the village council serve as members of the block council. The district council is the top level of the system. Its jurisdiction includes all village and block councils within districts. The panchayat system in India also refers to a council of elected members who take decisions on issues which are important for the village council. A panchayat is thus a body of elected representatives in the village. The leader of the council is termed as Sarpanch. The panchayat acts as a means of expression between the local government and the people. In such a system, each village can voice his opinion in the governance of his village. In 1992, the central government amended the constitution. It formulated rules for the Panchayati Raj system. These were to be followed by all the states and union territories. Through the 73rd Amendment in 1992, on April 23, 1993, the institution of Panchayati Raj was accorded the constitutional status. The provisions are the establishment of three-tier structure at the village level, the block level and the district level. Establishment of Gram Sabhas at the village level. Regular elections to panchayats every 5 years. Proportionate seat reservation for SC and STs, reservation of not less than 1/3 seats for women, constitution of state finance commissions to recommend measures to improve the finance of panchayats. The State Election Commission should hold regular panchayat elections. Last but not least, a member of a panchayat should not be less than 21 years of age.